What is that? No, no, no. At least the song is nice. Hello everybody, Wolf is here, and there's no cat in this image. Okay, just kidding, there's one here. Yeah, so this is a Twitter account that posts pictures, and in those pictures there are a hidden cat. They're pretty fun to look for, and yeah, I decided that we are going to look for the cats in this video. So let's go. I think we'll open them in paint.net. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Ooh, this guy got a PS5? Damn. What's that supposed to be? Paper towel? What is this? Wait, could this be that one game that a lot of people play? A lot of GG players, I mean. I don't remember the name of it. It's not Friday Night Funkin'. It's just Shape and Beats. Yeah, that game. It's got a setup. But where could the cat be? That can't be the cat. Or can it? Oh. Yep, that's definitely the cat. Definitely hiding behind in the closet. That's one cat. Okay, next one. Yeah, I don't even think we need to open this one in Photoshop, because I can see it here. I can even see some private messages here. Okay, the next one. We seem to be in a backyard. I wonder what country it could be. Now it's GeoGuessr. Ooh, is that a dandelion? Must be the last one to see it then. Is that an antenna? But where could the cat be? Could this be the cat? This little sleeping thing over here? I mean, it must be. Why is it laying on the ground? Looks like a dead animal. Unless there are any other cats around here somewhere. Let me know if you see any cat. Let's see where it could be. Oh wait! Oh, there's a f***ing cat there! How did I not see that? Okay, I understand why I didn't see that. But are those two cats? Or maybe that's not a cat. That's nice. I wonder where the cat could be. Okay, here's another one of those hard ones. Okay, I think I already see it. Right there. But there's also a cat. A stuffed animal cat. And a dog. Now, what is this place? Who hangs up their shoes on the freaking door? What is this? Oh, now I can see the cat. You're sitting there like meow meow. That's one cat down. But why would anyone hang their shoes like that? Weirdo. Okay. Faz Young 21. What country could it be? Could this be? Oh, I see the cat. Right there. on the roof as well. Huh, what country is this? I would guess South America, question mark. Meow. I don't know. Nope. Well, that's a tiny area. Where could the cat be? Is that a Pikachu lamp? And what are those? Looks like some candy or gum or something. Dude, he's got an anime book collection or something here. And that's a really big backpack. Like, what do you carry in this one? Is that a mask? Okay, but there's supposed to be a cat in this picture. I cannot see it. I mean, unless it's this thing. But I don't know. Are you hiding in here? Nope, you're not. Where is the cat? Where is the cat? Well, found a zebra. Or zebra. Maybe it's telling the truth. There is no cat in this image. Just a zebra and a Pikachu and a car. And a ridiculously long backpack. Let's go check it out on Twitter. Wait a minute. Ah, I see. It's a white cat. It's a bit hard to see because of the white wall. But there's the cat. Hiding. Like cats usually do. I mean, I don't know, I don't have a cat pet. I don't have a dog. I don't have any pet at all. Okay, cat. Are you in the tree? Are you in the grass? I think it's in the house.
No, I don't think so.
Or maybe somewhere around here. It's pretty hard for a cat to camouflage in green, because we don't have green cats in this world. Believe it or not. I mean, this could be a cat, but feels pretty small to be a cat. Unless it's like a black cat hiding in this thing. Okay, Twitter, I need your help. Twitter, do your thing. Now that can't be a cat. That must be a really tiny cat. In that case. Can't be up in the trees, because then we would have firemen here rescuing the cat. Whoa, 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 whoa. Now I zoomed in. Yeah, gotta be this thing or this thing. I mean, it could be a kitty. So yeah. We'll go with that one. Next. Okay. We got clothes. And I think I already see the cat. Oh, there is the cat. Damn, that cat looks angry. And by the looks of that adapter, this is America. Next. Where could the cat be? I can't see it. Definitely not in the bag. Alright. I got a lot of food here. They don't have a fridge. Oh yes, they do have a fridge. Damn, they just leave food out in the open like that. Okay, there's cat food, so we know this household has a cat. I bet there's like cat eyes looking in here. Oh, there you are. Hiding in the alongside the barrels. I hope it's not angry, or she. Let's imagine you want a bottle of water and there's a cat guarding it.
You shall not pass!
That's not very nice. Top ramen. Or ramen. Welsh. Is this UK? Wait, no, that looks a lot like an American adapter or wall outlet. And I bet this is a pride flag. And I bet this is also some sort of flag or something. Next! There's no cat in this image. Okay, maybe there is. Let's look around. I think I already see it. Nope, never mind, that's not a cat. Why would a cat even be at this place? Nobody should be at this place. Maybe it's in a cave. Do cats live in caves? What could that be? Something tells me there's something in this bush. And I can see a golden cat in here. Meow! Meow! Where are you? Maybe up here. Ah, there is a cat. Now I can see it. But why is the cat on the opposite side of the net? I mean, I guess cats can climb better than humans can, so she can probably get out of there. Okay. I already see it. Hiding in the corner. I wonder if there are any spiders down there. No, no, no. What is that supposed to be? I can see the black. I can see the ice. What kind of drink even is this? Ooh, you get nuts. That's also a cat, right? I don't know. Think it's in the bag? Yep, definitely the one in the bag. Another backyard. Lots of green here. There's two eyes. Gotta be a cat. It's not. Something tells me there's something lurking in the bush. Wait a minute. Yep, that white thing is definitely a cat. Definitely. I 100% agree with you, Buffies. I thought that was a rock. So did I. Why is Star Wars trending? Or NFT? Or Lidl? And yes, I am recording this on Swedish National Day. Kind of bad camera. No offense. This guy got VHS players. That explains why the camera is so bad. But at the same time, he's got like an iPad up here. That's a cat on the picture. But I don't think they're referring to that one. Okay, I see the cat. It's black and camouflage with whatever this black thing is in the background. A blanket. Probably a blanket. I think we'll do 3 more. Whoa. This looks like a hotel. Very nice. We got palms. And is that a cat sitting behind there? Definitely the cat. Fancy place. I wonder where that is. Yeah, you're just chilling there. Just imagine if someone went on the toilet and put their feet down there. That would be a catastrophe. Wow, this was a high quality picture. Something tells me the cat is somewhere in here. Or inside here. Or in the bush. What even is this garbage? Let's rotate the picture. Monkey 555. Weird. Not gonna lie, that looks a lot like a snake. I wonder if that's why the plant looks like this. It wants looks like a snake to scare bugs and stuff away. Maybe. But apparently it seems to have scared the cats away too, because I can't see a single cat in here. Oh wait, that could be it. Hiding from the snake bush. We gotta see what the comments say. Oh wait, never mind. The cat is being eaten by the snake bush. We gotta rescue it. That's like a kitty. Stupid snake bush. I see you. Next one. This was a fancy house. Seems to get a lot of new stuff and old stuff in here. Look at this TV. Look at those headphones. And is that a PlayStation controller? An epic drama of adventure and exploration. That's a space station. Is that a cat? I don't know. But why do they have a bunch of garbage on the couch? I am very confused. What is that supposed to be? Why is that a cat outside? With those red eyes? And that's just make the whole thing a lot creepier. Oh, never mind. Here's the cat. Cat ears, sleeping and chilling, while something else is spying on you outside. I mean, it's probably the reflection from the camera or something like that, because there are 3 eyes. Unless it is a 3-eyed monster. 3 eyes. That's very nice. A black cat hiding next to this dragon. What was it called again? Toothless, I think it was called. Okay, the next picture. Yeah, I had to censor that out because it's kinda inappropriate. This will also be the last picture, so... Yep. What is that? And why is there a bunch of Barbie dolls up here? This guy got a lot of books and stuff. A lot of trash, it seems like. And what looks like a guitar. And there's a cat. Hiding in there. But yeah, that was it for this video, so if you liked it, let me know in the comments down below and I will make more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course leave a comment down below, like I just said. And follow me on Twitter and Storyfire. My Twitter is right here. Here it is, Geometry-Buffies. And if you like Geometry Dash, don't forget to check out Geometry-Buffies. But yeah, thanks for watching, bye bye! And I just got a notification here.